Hi, Facebook. Hi, everyone. Kaylan Mommy here again. I want to say thank you to everyone who has been reaching out to us, everyone that has been sending their prayers, everyone that has been, rallying around and sending the hearts and the love, everyone that is praying constantly. The tears, everyone is crying for Kaylan. They're not going to go unanswered. God is watching, God is seeing us, and He's hearing. I'm doing this live based on a few events. Kaylan is still unconscious. Don't listen to the rumors. People are saying that she's awake. That's not true. Kaylan is still on life support. Still not breathing on her own. The dosage for the BP medication has been lowered, so that's a plus for us. But she's still not out of the woods because, as you know, she's still not awake. Someone reported Auntie Donna's page that's doing the fundraiser for her. That page is shut down. Don't know who reported it. Can't believe people can be so cruel to know that a child is in need and is trying to sabotage the help that she's been given or getting from the general public. There's videos and pictures, people posting that Kaylan is awake and talking. Kaylan cannot be talking if she is unconscious, so that's a no-no. If you did not hear a report from me, then do not run with it, please. I would like the rumors to stop. If you did not hear it from my page, it did not happen. Whatever update is to be given on Kaylan, if it is not on my page or I did not do a live about it, then it is not true. It is sad that people can take a situation as serious as this and try and spin it for views, and spin it for fame and likes. Please be respectful of her privacy and our feelings, because remember, we are all human beings and we all have feelings, and it is hurtful when people circulate false information, right, about someone who cannot defend themselves, someone who cannot speak for themselves. I'm her mother. I'm the one who visits her on a daily basis. I'm the one who spends time with her every day. And I'm the one who speaks to the doctors, nobody else but me. So if you have not heard it from me, and if you don't see me post anything on my page in regards to her doing anything new, then it is not so. Again, I thank you all. Her toes are still moving when I tickle her foot bottom. That is still happening. She's not awake. She's not awake. We're still working overtime to get the MRI done. These are the things that we're focusing on now. Getting her health up. We need all the prayers we can get. We need all the prayers we can get, because at this moment we're just trusting God. We can't do it by ourselves. We just have to trust God. Put it in God's hands at this moment. As regards to the ladies in custody, I cannot comment on any of that because I don't know any of that. I can't give any updates on that. All I can focus on right now is getting Kaylan in the best health possible. Getting her the care that she needs. And, getting her up again. Up and laughing. Up and dancing. up and doing her little ventures that she loves. As you can see, Kaylan is a very vivacious little girl, and that's what we are trying to work on, getting her the best care. Rumors about her going abroad, nothing as that has been confirmed. We're just looking into these things. Nothing has been confirmed. But if there's anybody who can assist in that matter, we are welcoming the help. But again, I thank you all for the help. Thank you for the prayers. The staff at UWI, oh my God, I thank you all. Them call Kaylan them baby. And I am so grateful for the doctors, so grateful for the staff, the cleaning ladies. Me appreciate to know, because every time I go up there, I see them I wipe out Kaylan room, our room sanitized and clean. Trust me, nice. The security officers, Melissa, the supervisor for Marksman Security, I appreciate you guys. They're always there. Them always welcome me with a smile. I appreciate everybody. You know, Manpower. There's a lady from Manpower. She's always there. The Silver, yes. Where's the paper that I have, Mike? I asked them their name. Where's my? It's in my bag. Get it for me, right? Me appreciate everybody, all of the security team. They're so polite. They're so pleasant. Nobody not give me no the nurses. They're so polite, right? And so nice. Everybody has been nice to Kaylan. Everybody has been nice to me so far. And trust me, they're making this journey a lot easier. They're making this journey a lot easier for me. You know, sometimes you go and you go places and people give you a hard time. You know, I'm not experiencing that at all. It just shows me that there's still hope for this world. Melissa Brown, supervisor for Marksman Limited, thank you. You have been a warm shoulder to lean on. Lisa Marshall, thank you, sweetheart. I thank you. I thank you, guys. Trust me. There's hope for this world. And this has taught me a valuable lesson that God is in the midst. And once God is in the midst, all things are possible. Because if it had not been for prayer and for God, because we're all calling on the same, asking for the same thing right now, which means that we're all on one accord, and we can move this mountain. This mountain can be moved if we just keep pressing on and keep praying, prayer without ceasing. That is what we're doing right now. I see the comments. I love you all. I love you all just the same. And I thank you for the prayers. I see you all. Janet Wellbless, Patman Hyatt, Chinchilla, Anna Montana. I can see you all. Unruly Jodian, Esther, yes, Victory Esther. Esther Spencer, I see that Victory. Esther, yes, love, I love you. I love you. Everybody, you know, I won't be long. But I just want everybody to, the people that are trying to tarnish Kaylan's name or trying to stop her blessing, please don't do it. Don't report the pages that are trying to help. People are just trying to help. And I will let you guys know if there's a fake page. If there's a page that I did not authorize, I will say it. You will all know. So keep giving, keep praying. Because Kaylan needs the help, as much help as she can get. I'm going to go now, and I thank you again, everybody. I see the prayers going up. I thank you. No, how much you mean to me. You don't know how much you know mean to Kaylan at this moment. All of the aunties them Kaylan have now, and the uncles and the big sisters, because I hear you guys reaching out and saying, I am adopting Kaylan. Kaylan is my child. Kaylan is my sister. Kaylan is my niece. Trust me. When she wake up, me I go show her everything. All I wanna name me I call to her. Me I go through every message. The messages are overwhelming. People, don't get mad if you see me not read a message yet. But me I take my time and go through every single one, and I will be responding to every single one of you. So just keep holding on to God's unchanging hand, because he's not a God to lie. And he's not one to change on us. He's not one to not do what he says he's gonna do. So I'm going to read every message. Just be patient, because it's a lot. And remember, it's only one mommy, one me. I can do just so much. It's just the strength of God that is keeping me, and the strength of family, and the strength of you guys prayer that is keeping me up. If you don't notice me now, I'm ball no more, because me give it all to God. Me give it all to God, and trust me, when prayers are work, because you know hold me up. You all are holding me up right now. Everybody now say them, Mommy, you're too strong. Me can't, because I couldn't do it. I just make you know, say, Uno do it for me. And God do it for me. The prayer. I thank you guys again. Please don't report our pages anymore. If it's a fake page, you all know the GoFundMe is organized by Kaylan, by Angela May Kelly. That's the GoFundMe that you should be using. There's no other GoFundMe page. I didn't authorize any other. If there's any authorized, you will know. Auntie Donna's page, that's Tammy. Auntie Tammy, please do not report her page again, because I authorized that page. These people are trying to help. Anybody that I'm authorizing, you will either see me on video, or you will see me post it on my page, Venetia Buckley page. If it's not so, then you will not know about it. Any updates, I will give the updates. And if I authorize the updates, it will also still be on my page. So please, guys, keep supporting, keep praying. Most of all, if you don't have a dollar, if you don't have nothing to give, if you don't have anything, we need your prayer, because that is what is important. We need the prayers. Prayer more than anything. I'm not asking for anything much. Just pray. Not taking no time for prayer. If I am for just say, Kaylan, God, remember Kaylan, God, Kaylan, just call our name to God. He's listening. If you can't call our name, if you can't pray, and the tears are come, God listening to those tears just the same. Love you, me love you, me love you. Kaylan are the whole of we picnic right now. Kaylan belongs to all of us, and Kaylan belongs to God. So just keep covering her. Keep praying for her. Keep worshiping. Remember, we have to send up all of the thanks, because whatever little improvement she makes, we have to give God thanks for it, because we can't be ungrateful. Give God thanks for it. Give God thanks. Chantel, she's doing well. She's still here. She's still holding on. She's still holding on. Una pray for her, and the prayers are work. Kaylan is still here with us. And as long as she's still here, then there's hope. God will do it. God can do it. God will do it. God will do it. Yes, Apple Chain, the world loves Kaylan. I believe you. Camille Taylor, I love you, girl. I love you. I see you. Kemar Khan, we see you. You understand, you guys? Enough of you can't call everybody name. Understand? But me love you. Me love you. Me love you. Thank you, guys. I'm going to end the live now, because I haven't eaten from morning. Haven't had anything at all. It's hard to eat. It's hard to sleep. It's hard to do anything, because, everything is just flushing me, just overwhelming me. And, but stay positive. God is good. God is good. God is good. And we are all on pan him. And we are all on pan Kaylan. Because you're not going to live for hear Kaylan talk. And she going to come on her live, and she going to talk and tell you thanks herself. She's going to tell you thanks herself. Everybody. Love you guys. Thank you. Have a great evening and God bless you all. Bless you, no God bless you, no God bless you, no God bless you, no blessing, blessing, blessing. Everybody, blessings, me I release pan everybody, blessings. Everybody we can donate, me I release financial blessing over on our life. I don't want blessings for Kaylan only, I want blessings for everybody and on the children. I want God release blessing in our life and prosperity in our life so that you all can live a fulfilled and a happy life. The same thing I want for my child, I want it for everybody picnic. I want God release protection over our children, release protection over our life, our family, everybody, because I don't want this to be repeated. I don't want this cycle of violence and the cycle of wickedness and cruelty to be repeated. I don't want it to happen to anybody else's child. So I want everybody release a blessing of prosperity over everybody and a blessing of protection. I want God build up a fence around each and every single individual who can see this live. I want God bless on your life and cover everybody life and everybody children, because me love every phone pitney just like how me love Kaylan. Me want God bless you, blessings, blessings, blessing. Me want God release blessings for everybody that can see this and who is praying. Everybody with utter Kaylan word, me want to know blessing when I send up for her, return to you in Jesus' name. I love you. Me love you. Me love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.